Richard Boadu Agadas can only play for KOTOKO when he renders a public apology. But his people are looking at sending him to House of Folk if Ogum rejects his apology. Tama, where you fresh and can you?
Understand?
Information about say
not what free Libya.
Tama, but Agadas has been in town for some time now.
Oh, sir.
Yeah. Nanumpu, Omo ko boss bi so mo site no. No, so be here KOTOKO match bi na go man na ho to na ho keka no. Enti nipa bi no afiase e di nkomo se ka omra back. Na ompu so ohuma ai no. E ko Ogum camp no mo se okotena esi ba bi the X minim ho. Minim krokro minim bro cross be just be the X. Yes okotena ho na esi ne wo so no ho kakra wo ho. Ti no.
Also no say.
E so ka nsem.
That I'm maybe.
Maybe
like Banyes say.
There be say there so on kasa but that krokra mpum.
O kan say.
Now say yes ko X.
No ko ka say.
Ade we de so mo make kakra so ni same mo. Yes so ka ko X baby the X. Ko ka nsem ho. Na ehibwadu ai efensen ai Ogum. Enti omo tempted say na Ogum si no. Masa. Ma hihye mi tim ma me fa me ade enko. But say wahwe the one goal project at KOTOKO. Edi KOTOKO nya.
Ono so am so a fan favorite kakra.
Pa supporters ne pen papa. Supporters ne pen papa.
Na no free baby ono.
Tama.
When you say,
in fact, we bet you am so a free agent. I'm so be boutique bi kura o kwa.
No free agent no.
On the wife ti hodo mo. They be now.
Na bedam just say we jai born obo on aba.
Town. Tama. Boadu has been he has been cited in town. I'm not for no. Ebi me 2 weeks, ebi me 1 week. Ebi me can days are fine. Me me kasa me hu na me boa. But this is information. See, Tama I say asafo baby o important wo baby. See oh nice boutique. I say one dey be abekọ no wife ni ti anu a. To ma dey kakra. Ana man for sin no.
That's what Jeff.
Yeah, o susu kra ha. Me na so ja football.
Okay, Mate ba.
Yeah, ko so no KOTOKO mfimfini ho no. Chance creation no. E wo form. Obi adi adanse say KOTOKO are not scoring.
So there's a coach in the car say public apology. Is that are those the words of the coach?
Tama, you say BBC na ban say you speak to people around near the auntie. Omo pusi na ko ben say masa. Ni say okay kind dey so patch answer.
But also
Chama kasai.
the muna ka bi so going to the answer. What's why there?
Bizo to Agadas I know so office wa outside kakra.
So
Na office mo answer no wako.
Menim so obi wa abon.
Say we clubless. Say so
obi a clubless yen linking nko team bia. Ko menim say
but this is a former captain
of the club.
And
I'm not sure Agadas will want to work with even Okumkra.
Oh, so
yes, I'm not sure Agadas will want to work with Ogum.
Okay, that's all my different information.
Because
they say oh can obi ati unti ono so dey.
I'm not sure he even want to work with Ogum.
Oh, so
yes.
Oh, okay.
And I know so office. Agadas, I said,
the production team has spoken to people around Agadas, and I can tell you, say,
I don't know what's the difference on all boys or me Jumon. They was what you want
okay.
Only has a team
of
investigators, reporters, journalists, and your customer. I know what those who come all.
Okay.
Tama. In fact,
don't
be surprised say Abia.
Oh, they've some
Wiki
Sky graduate over.
Don't be surprised Abia.
As was so many.
You see,
the lady just said 31st. And I'm a very crazy. A bus and boys repay no goya. To check that man back could be none one.
Okay. Where the course me you will be not.
You will not him Agadas story kaka.
Oh, me didn't come much.
Oh, okay. About him so
oh yeah, well have for over 1 month.
Aye, and that one.
To Ghana,
what I know is to see on the club no Libya any but period now contract no on termination is starting soon yanson.
Okay.
My name is Obeso KOTOKO.
That he has not discussed with you.
My name is Obeso KOTOKO, and from Nkoma Edim maybe a tremono. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Unless he be a dear chia, maybe somebody here, I'm not sure.
And near my team is son. Only baby, as a phone say, ambassador was a area. And you want to become. Oh, then go for the
boutique, no, or no crown or advertising idea. And no, I got that you be a go phone him nepa or a bookroom boy.
Okay.
Or a ball corners. I'm a kumbo dear grow kakra or dear grow as of kakra. Fantuni town forces so because of corners no boy, you know. And to answer what Tinecumas now years now. We are well known. And then there's a boutique in the
bobo.
Boutique in a boutique, I know the Akosha Kukum. Or no, you soon image to promote the boutique because a agadas maybe.
And we'll be that.
Oh, you'll be that, yeah. And so more
no buy in or baby.
No, Mubiano, your month bay.
November,
October. It should be somewhere around July. Yes,
June,
July.
And Asante.
Agadas. Oh, yeah, no wedding. Agadas, oh, yeah, no wedding. I check no more be sure soon and say.
Nancy, you know, shots no time.
They're not making supporters. KOTOKO supporters, no. The fact that they have seen Agadas in town will be a team no. I go catch them. Into we are making music and come out be a course outside.
Yeah.
Now both are statue baby. K5 mumbe lead. No, I'm not the home come up. Nan come out grab was a good coach in any
K5 over faces here.
Oh, me. Almost a good peer. Nine was a coach, no. Oma Busan coach so be a any problem. If he can go back and apologize on the things he said. Because I got that on your what's a son system where you oh yeah, I have no problem with him so be patch and here can be aga that on this idea no nin komo bia o
okay
but you hu no ha what ban there we are ban there me fi say son ya na
and I know
but obebo kakra kan ye bad
I know as a matter of fact also say
any part the problems about you resolve them they are all professionals asem ne ben me we can say me so obebo team no dia that's why ready so obebo no be meeting the demands
especially how so called the house here wabonti say eso obona
abonte grad is here the bibiani
so
bibiani abonte say November abonte da ben November me we da ben abonte January na
those abonte that chairman
abonte biani
e da na ni me da do
don't babo that's it so come see gagra
onte abonte na
almost like the Jibo Kenya
sana usually anetie
amateur say there
e be a player na nka so be ko ba bi o
but amafo hu
put me create story na around it
say you hu ne there
ye was na coach I got a scroll bet so me dey any problem so obe apologize on the words he said bi so I got a say and am aka say me KOTOKO bi and the sana ya na tie say the say o tena mu de ne call first one is on I want to assume say e ba say the say ko be to am for ani Captain Zanete.
But no to KOTOKO.
Young boy name send you okay. Ya tell you dey ba e be do agada so.
Unyaka crank o because say him.
Also a lot of experience.
He
has a lot of experience. Apart from Emre no. He comes with on agada small leaders.
And near Dinka
on the field of play in Sane man. Nti eno dey.
Asan to quite cross and bent no.
Yeah.
But
nada na san ko ya no masabe.
System no.
Libya ne Algeria ni Egypt no ya no masa return
to any SMP
okay so we shall
was sending strange message bi wa I think say it too early so do to na Bashiru Hayford no KOTOKO
Bashiru Hayford dey say sa
choba
comment
na who say nra after KOTOKO ne Lagos City's game no my video be a popular KOTOKO supporters are started some more attack Ogum.
Yeah.
Why are they?
Yeah. I'm saying the more lose match. I'm saying the selection no nanya.
Debbie.
I'm saying the selection nanya. I'm saying the lineup of the starting was bad.
Ogum has been under pressure after the US trip.
From Maman pressure.
So be any role play in the US trip no.
Robert play.
Oh, na say US trip no there. Omo ya me akofa ho asma san ba bi.
No, Robert
be any say US trip no. Ogum gigina mu pa na man ba so.
Entimi pa chewo.
At the time that the supporters say they do dey na nka omo nsan.
And Ogum so.
No Ogum there, no je ba bi se chinchin na omo.
And na pen craft friends.
Of course.
And I coach kwesi apia te ase.
Kotukasi apia that and then focus on
and there's all mummy number mountain ebu some questions.
But
halfway. So say
the Ogum
based on what Sabal can say, Ogum play a key role for the US community. Time what the story about mountain about Mediama. From that day now we hear announcement. Everything around Kotoko trip to US then obi em said the nigwa say na baba. We na wo hia obi so be ka chew. Eti say empanyifo akase emienu e wo ho. E na Ogum ye chinchin wo na wo kan wo.
Men use the word chinchin but o play role. At a point at a point the Napenkra even had a change of mind and heart. Nanka Kotoko will not go. Hence the statement.
Menda told about some women.
Oh, boss.
US are going to
go back and read the Kotoko statement.
US are going to any Ogum.
Me say at a point, Napenkra had a change of mind and heart. Nanka nyadia nanka Kotoko beko. But be no Ogum jinano. And my own say na come you. At the point by the time Napenkra Nikosiapia beko parliament ako hu speaker of parliament no why a ho arrangement ni nyina we for what I have been told na tourism board for no kra na some for ne Ogum akasa that explains why as I see a pair omombe fi US part of the team na they didn't that didn't even know the select players na yakopomo US one he didn't have an idea he didn't know them until na mka say kabaya ke man nsi ho no mo
Ogum has been under pressure after the US.
Because Mr. Apia message about you know or say good morning Jibo. Is there any way to forgive coach Bashiru and bring him back to Kotoko? And no twaso. Ogum can't help the team with all the players in his disposal. Look at how they did yesterday. Poor coaching.
When right after the game, a lot of comments maybe bring towards Coach Ogum. It looks like basket draw no, and then right game no. Most of the fans were not impressed with him.
So what are the
match
issues
against
Heart
of Lions? You know, I said and your mate Mrs.
Issues near the specifically there now.
Ayana, don't you put too much pressure on the coaches? Are you over?
So too.
Well, the time I want to catch a football they need their coach.
No, me ba. And the given league your my boy, never be a Kotoko day. Why should there be pressure again on the
unnecessary?
The onset
week saying
week 8.
They've lost in 2 games.
Only one.
Almost first defeat in
Moto Ogum Diana quite said Luga was the Chidiano. 3 back, one goal project, and after every game you see people complaining.
And now the crop.
Kotoko for who complaining sir?
Oh,
I don't want to this match by now. Since when?
Na captain they be they should have time. Now they didn't.
Oh, not that I'm aware.
Okay.
Maybe I'm not the system.
Grounds are
Maybe I'm not the system.
People are not pleased with the kind of performance ASANTE could put up in matches. And I'm so to on TV on. Any bobo we are.
Many grounds.
To bobo we are pa.
Many forms are.
Your matches ni be a Kotoko we are Kotoko wini, but still the general commentary around it, you know. People felt that the team is not living up to the expectation. Amount for DNA the enko for here no. I have a different opinion to that. That's why they be I defend the 1 goal project. That's why
we don't even 1 goal project.
Oh, that's him so to say 1 goal now.
I have 3-point project, mum.
Send anything I may be me say. May I believe in Kotoko getting the points.
What I have seen about football is there's a team they just got it. Team I feel on my year.
Yeah.
Man for nyabo trek akro. Sometimes we be demanding for too much. After we na you lose 1 game after how many matches?
After 8 matches.
And they been see that. And no more friend 1 goal project. Look at us now. When Luga went, who can this here?
Yeah, brepa. That's why I always defend the thing. Say me no. I have a different opinion to that. But to some supporters and after the game, I'm okay. Until say be a bar near nyabo trash. But me to there been cracks at start to show. Ewo Kotoko team which Ogum must start fixing those things.
Reaction, no. In fact,
Moto Enra Kotoko Legon City's terrible first half. Coach Ogum starting 11 poor, extremely poor. Not fit to describe. I was not surprised he started second half. No, he had 3 changes because on one occasion who said Ototo Papa so power the selection or first half. No. I mean, it's the worst Kotoko first half I actually since this league started, and I'm hoping so be lessons from that particular first half setup or the core. But the first issue is that Kotoko drop a point against Baseke, 2 points. 2 points against Young Apostles, and then not drop 3 points against Tima League not last year.
And I'm Chelsea board draw.
Yes, Chelsea board draw. Yes, but so 3 matches with Baseke, Young Apostles, Legon Cities. First thing I've been here say Kotoko ne nkofo me yankwala so to team no team say omuso omutimi run 90 minutes ba Kotoko teso pa omubre. Young Apostles, young team, tactically disciplined. Omutie the coach near they can run, they can close spaces, they can press. Kotoko bre. Entry had to score from a distance. Against Baseke Gazali team, no 90 minutes to the boys were running. No more press Kotoko team, no. Omutimi Kotoko nya draw. And then against Legon Cities, one thing was clear. Legon Cities press Kotoko. And they were forcing the Kotoko center backs to give bad passes. And player back one to first half or quality was Andrews in team menu. In team natural quality was game in the first half. Apart from basically almost every player was poor. Entry jeba to how Ombe Russia Kodosono. No more starving from having that space to exchange his passes. And Blay, that was a 40 pass that led to the first goal. Almost pressing, making it difficult for Blade to even build up, making it difficult for Samba and even Ablo. And Samba was struggling to set the pass from defense to midfield. Dimoto, he decided to go long. And long ninyina to to no boni nyina obana Peter intimi reche bono. Awuche intimi reche bono. Inti Ogum need to work on that because as nkwala nketinketinisha.
Park said the boys may be able to the left side.
Yeah.
Kakram here. Then Biasana, they were putting pressure.
Yes.
Overloads on the left side.
Yes.
So where
make it answer. Park see utilize a wing backs. Once a wing backs no come anymore. Or just spaces. Just a Kotoko for any beam. To not mark Kotoko cram passing free. A chino on ben fin po. And also Ogum peso shishan and kakra. And that was the issue. So Ogum need to look at that. You'll be meeting a lot of young players. Now, yes, I did not so more win 10 overs close to the penalty box. Now, say, more catch it, your goalkeeper unaware. It will be a bad issue for ASANTE KOTOKO. That is the first thing that should happen moving forward as ASANTE KOTOKO coach. The second thing is that there are certain individual players. Clearly, Coach Ogum need to find a way for them to get their form. One. Peter Amedu this season to Ohunuso. Peter any form back say crying and I was not surprised about first half New Year Coach Ogum in film. In moments like this, so I study Emmanuel Entriam so too. It looks like on any position there is nobody else to play that role. Nipa ya jini disobey me boss aya Babaya and Babaya is not playing. The starting season or matches nimba mienu no ball from wings ni nyina na coach ni free and oku pry after that oba and onya bi boy so to say Kotoko creative midfield no so to Kotoko creative midfield no we entry free wa nipa ba ko betimi creative passes enim say oya de otimi code onto the ball otimi give you passes babaya
somebody the same position
so clearly entry
you can use the two of them in a game
no to you can use them because Ogum Yusu Fabio Gama and Richmond Lamte. Ogum Yusu Lamte and Babaya. and I know about one defensive midfielder.
Richmond Lamptey.
Timbo.
Otimbo itu. Lamptey running more than these players.
So that is why I'm saying.
Entry works a lot.
Until I'm say,
ball on him. Who's the first in
I know, but Okan last time say no ball as a deep line midfielder no. Until I'm who the can't win the Olympic score relegation. I said that entry back at Okono. I will check in the position the baby or ball.
No, that was one said me say Oboho and
I wonder if after number 10 no or very comfortable any other position. He knows how to play. Ball no one and answer F. But without the ball, you don't see him. The ball no crying, they are born on him. What's the first time no was now? Okay, I said this here. Say, you need to work harder, and I'm be
I need coaching. It comes back to coaching.
It's a style of play.
Say KOTOKO creative one issues for because if somebody need to come in. Then your match is not betting about 90 minutes. Your match is not so do be back on. Now we create more chances.
Now you have Sunday so baba.
One more Sunday one bo. Sunday baba one Bobby.
One makra.
One bo.
There be any one be more. Okache referee say ball.
He was on the bench throughout. Baba apart from the first 2 games on started game, Baba and be free bench. And so there are still issues which the coach need to fix because people are complaining. One, Awuche more than we say Peja. Because he say KOTOKO him honam so too. We Albertamu 5 goals out of the 8 goals are KOTOKO. So it's either Dauda Saka mbe start ya shebi. Awuche mbe start ya shebi. Because entimi ko one player
channels no dos.
Ese go angles neba. Na ko ba ko from one particular person. You cut him off, the team start to struggle. Enti there are issues too but
mama I think for your quick one man on fact we must say
Tama on KOTOKO against Karela
no more born and run you told me them if you say we do hu ko ball bi na nipa no wo tumi a eze tumi ne bi so yes obi our right to criticize Ogum but maybe this is my view on any game okay say KOTOKO ball omone samates wie no maybe ball KOTOKO 2 wing backs na baso Lord Amo no na Asiedu say obo in a 3 back system a 2 wing backs na so more energetic into mo use a lot of energy etu yo KOTOKO last 2 games omo boy before Baseke Holy Stars game na dey tia na me ball ma baso ne say wing backs need me e perform here and our 3 back system na ye adwuma. Now looking at the energy omu use no na be ye den sem zo to on beti use sa energy na in a league ya ball league ne na bi abo wuku ada 3 days interval be problem dia mom until we coach you try to find a way to manage it ye nyina nim say na KOTOKO ne efe no so to ayonko father omo ntem eno mo na be wa de say ne beto so and I was saying the same thing. Lagos City is no go home no so to obo game Friday. The last league boy before Enra game no obo game Friday. It will be Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 4 days and all the rest here. KOTOKO Ekobo Baseke Holy Star Sunday when you say. From Kumasi to Enyinase 7 hours. From Enyinase to Accra 7 hours. Omo game ni Sunday we no zoto. Omo beda amade achi Monday no mbesim. Mbokwa ko du Monday anwumre. Omo du Monday no muntimi nye training Tuesday no mbe tru ade achi a no mo bobo wukwada. So to how do you even recover players out of bobo? Eti omo lead KOTOKO na omo do mo akobo F4 no. Omo news say omo yonko fa no to also protect the team. Say the be benya result because Lagos City is now no ball me crab on the Friday. And no me game now like in the first half. Nothing was working for KOTOKO. Yes, at a point me feel say maybe you can talk about players who use them. But Pitami Duya obo as a win back in. Last season, majority of the games I can say Bitami do they no as a win back.
Okay.
Saka there some can say yes, me mention what Tanobo for Kobe. But with a few games I'm here, KOTOKO no. He's here to convince me.
Okay.
Entry no so no. Zoto. Trimude kakra wo na afa. Onye ho adwuma. Trimude kakra wo na afa. I said the
ball. Lagos City played on Saturday.
Saturday.
Not Friday. Yeah.
Okay.
onye side no hodwuma nti I think say Kotoko supporters no omunya abotrema Ogum
okay
so trema chana say
yeah
aha time no master che no ma say key people be master che omo bo na chini sa anyoma no team ye any results na a lot of factors and kikabo me kofa results ba and situation wey there me tell say me feel say am Kotoko nti ye hwe mo next league game mo be against a Heart of Lions
captain
Medodo.
Yes, Patriman 1. On the young Apostles Ebo 1-1. Become Chelsea 1-1. 1-0 against Accra Lions. 1-0 against Samates. 1-1 against Basake. And then Enwako conceded 1-2. Clearly, Kotoko share more than a goal in any of these games. Actually, say, Bono mo Bono. So we no be sharing Pakore who share 2 we enti Ogum ewa adwuma ye last season ono na coach team no ono na ye ni purchasing ono na ye ni pre-season enti excuses no swa se obi abeka say enye and as I set up as I say waka say team no obesan kremu kakra but until say obenya sa opportunity no as I say o maye hu Ogum nsa wo team ne ho because anko say ya ko ni say ya and the pressure no ebe ya more enti we say names na fi ase ba no ebe ba more tama House of Folk should behave like a big club. Accra House of Folk should behave